Teacher Sergio. Do you know about this aeroplane?
Yes, it's a MOONEY Super 21 aeroplane. It made a ride from Lisbon to Macau from 11 January to 6 February in 1987. 27 days was around 65 flying hours, with 23 stopovers. Finally, he lands here at石排灣. Let's walk around to see what have more.
Okay.
Look out! Here you can see the bird cage with many species of birds of Macau.
Can we go in to see them?
Cannot, because it's closed for safety, probably because of the COVID-19. Now we are at another garden of medical plants, but also aromatics plants. As you can see, have more in this area. You know, El, I enjoy so much to come to this place, to be in the nature area. I can release from the city environment, to have a peaceful moment in the green and opening space. How about you?
Me also. I hope all of you can enjoy times to times the natural areas instead of only stay in the city. Thank you and bye bye.
Bye bye.